Use a floor box to bring power or data connections to any given space. The Enerlites surface-mounted flip-lid 2-gang floor box can be installed in new construction or retrofitted into any indoor floor use scenario. The 975549 floor box comes in 2 different versions depending on your power and/or data needs. One version includes 2 self-grounding 20-amp tamper and weather-resistant receptacles. The other comes with 1 receptacle and 1 2-port datacom module. The datacom module can house any data port combinations, including Cat5, Cat6, HDMI, and audio-in keystones. To install, pick your location and trace the box. Then make a cutout. Adjust the subflooring as needed to accommodate the ledges and recess the ears to the subfloor. Use the adjustable flanges for additional adjustments to make the box as flush as possible with the subflooring. To allow for different directions of wiring, there are 14 half-inch knockouts around the box. Determine what you need and secure the box to the subflooring. Then feed the wires up through the box. Once the devices are properly wired, use the included metal and foam gaskets to seal any gaps. The large rubber gasket covers the entire section for increased protection from water. Finally, mount and secure the brass top. The design of this particular floor box is to increase its longevity and durability in high-traffic areas. They conveniently provide power in shopping malls, airports, offices, schools, and more. To learn more about Enerlites floor boxes, please visit us at enerlites.com.